A dead whale that washed up in the 1800s has now been moved to the Cambridge University Zoology Department. I'm Billy Poynton, and in this edition of At 7, we'll be taking a look at an extraordinary animal that has been used as a tourist attraction since its death.
Weighing around 80 tonnes and stretching over 21 metres in length, the fin whale is the second largest whale in the world.
So the main attractions we have here at the museum include this giant fin whale that you can see right behind me. This whale is really interesting because it died in 1865 in Norman's Bay in Pevensey. After it was discovered on the beach, it was actually used as a tourist attraction for a while, and it was taken around on railroad cars to show the public the skeleton of the whale. The university purchased it. When the new museum site was built here, the whale was installed, and it has actually been on site ever since.
The museum collection includes the skeleton of an extinct dodo bird, Tasmanian tiger, and many of Darwin's specimens, some of which were collected from his voyage on the Beagle and from his time studying at the University of Cambridge.
This refurbishment is an opportunity for the museum to take its research and teaching roles and expand them to be more outward-facing to provide a greater amount of education and experience for the public. So the opening weekend will be June 23rd. We're very hopeful that the public will take home a greater understanding and a greater appreciation for the diversity of animal life on the planet, and then that will actually help inform their decisions about how to live their lives.
I think it's safe to say that it's definitely worth seeing in person if you're into animals, or dead animals. Anyway, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next episode.